All right, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna try to do a touch and go on top of the Audi.
You're gonna do a touch and go on where? Okay, he's coming in too fast, too slow, too fast. I didn't get it.
Are you
I didn't get it.
piece of shit?
Do it again. Come on. This time I'm not gonna look at the plane. I'm gonna actually look at the screen on my phone. One more time. It would have been funny if I had the remote. I could pop the trunk as you're approaching and squawk. But I don't have the remote. There you go. See if we can do a full stop on there. Nah. Oh yeah, blame it on the fucking wind. You nearly took that flagpole out. There you go. Good setup. That's a good speed. What the fuck, dude?
Dude, as soon as I go to touch it, it's like a bottle.
Coming around with a tailwind. Yeah, you just got a little crosswind. It's not too bad. Two minutes and you failed. Tree! Car! Wind blew you off a little, off course there a little. Fucking,
The sudden realization. But the good thing this one's soft.
fucking tard. Shit.
There's fucking tire tracks up here.
Oh, I'm sure there are. Well, not too bad. Take off from there.
Poor guy.
Fucking shenanigans.
As soon as I can't see, I'm like, it's reaction to stuff.
Oh, look, the wind's dying down now. Look at that. Now you're coming a straighter approach. That's even better. Oh, that was weak. You have the approach.
This thing, dude, we're working with 3 channels here, coach.
That's all you need. In fact, you got 3 channels too many.
just need throttle, he says.
Just send it. Oh, I wonder how close you got to the light. Not that close.
The crosswind is a bitch without ailerons.
No, you're using a rudder for crosswind. Come on, you got it. Chop it. Oh. No?
Maybe I should stand right in front of the car so I know where I'm coming in at.
Keep an eye on the plane. Oh, try and take me out with that fucking fishing pole.
You should have your safety squints.
I had that. It's shit. They are on, motherfucker. Oh, you gotta line up way earlier. There you go. That was kind of weak. All right, we're at 5 minutes of stupidity here.
I'm surprised the plane's still flying after 5 minutes on that 800. And I've already...
Oh, tree. Ooh.
The wind, dude, the wind. Come on, little guy. All right.
Landed this time on the car. Or in it. It don't matter.
Oh.
Shit. Look, you broke my windshield. You fuck.
I wish. See what kind of damage we did back here.
None.
Let's see where one wheel hit.
Yeah, a little mark.
Where's my wheel?
I don't know. It fucking. Here it is.
That's plate abuse.
Shit. Of course, nobody's gonna watch the end of the video when it gets good like this.